It's a 2017 GMC Yukon. Kids, cargo, groups, gear, you can carry it all with this Yukon. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Auto-dimming rear view mirror, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, automatic transmission, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and Ecotec 3 engine. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Are you speaking Deacon? Visit Deacon Jones Chevrolet Buick GMC Cadillac today. Give us a call at 800-952-9354.